Hi everyone, my name is Max. Today I will show you what is the tip Open Wi-Fi with the latest features released and what are the benefit of Edgecore Open Wi-Fi solution. Why Edgecore? And we'll introduce the certified models and the tip roadmap. Okay, so for the tip, what is the tip? A tip means the telecom infra project. Open Wi-Fi actually just one of the group, so there is a lot of the very big group here. Open Wi-Fi group creates like open source community, and it combines like white box hardware, embedded software, and also the provider cloud SDK with a no-bound API. And for the edge core, we contribute to a series like a Wi-Fi 5, Wi-Fi 6, indoor OS on the hard platform to the tip open Wi-Fi. Then they handle the integration between the hardware and the software, and then continue to develop a lot of like enterprise software features. And in order to manage whole tip open Wi-Fi certified models, they also provide a cloud SDK. And I think that for open source, yeah, since it is the open, so how we can make sure it can be more stable and to work. So the performance and the quality are the most important. So that's the reason the tip community lab is established by the tip of Wi-Fi. They create a Wi-Fi test bed. You can do the scheduling test, or you can do the on-demand test. So now for the efficiency cloud control SDK. The cloud control SDK provides, as I mentioned, is the open no-bound API. So over the top, the Wi-Fi applications can be integrated once, then be used with the multiple vendor solutions. So it can save integration cost and reducing the time to market. Now let us talk about the latest release, the software features from the tip open Wi-Fi. Okay, the OpenMesh, it is based on OpenWRT, is OpenRT oriented projects and provide a large scale mesh. And it is based on the IEEE AO 2.11s standard. So for the L2.11s, it is then a kind of open source standard for connecting the wireless device without having to set up the infrastructure. So it is very robust and the performance is really good, and you can regard it as the enterprise grade the mesh function. So this one is a wireless broadband alliance open roaming. Okay. Open roaming is based on a set of industrial standards, including Wi-Fi certified passpoint, or you can call like the hotspot 2.0 from the Wi-Fi Alliance and the wireless roaming intermediary exchange from the wireless broadband alliance. So a wireless open roaming is a roaming federation service enabling automatically and the secure Wi-Fi experience globally. Okay, for example, or compared to a traditional like the KB portal authentication or situations without the open roaming. For example, when you go to the airport, you need to just enable the Wi-Fi. You need to get like the airport SSID from a lot of the SSID list. Then you need to read like the terms or conditions and key in your cell phone number. Then you can get the one password. Then you can get internet. But with open roaming, yeah, it automatically get the right SSID. Just connect it. That you just can serve the internet. So very, very robust. And for the end user, it's very convenient. And for the mobile, the operators actually can extend the mobile service to the end customers with open roaming support. So it is good, yeah, for the user's experience. And let us talk about the Edgecore Open Wi-Fi solution. The Edgecore contributes a series the access point to the tip and they load the tip the Open Wi-Fi network operation system, like the OpenWRT, and the tip OpenWiFi continue to develop the features. And for the Edgecore, will provide the latest software features from the chip and to enhance the web GUI setting to customers. So it is not a native from the for the chip directly. So if customer like such as like the MSP or like service provider think these features are not enough, then Edgecore can help them more application, develop more application to run on the top of the chip software, so can serve to this customer space. Okay. Besides, you can see like some picture. You can see the EC Cloud. So actually, except the native, the cloud SDK from the chip OpenWiFi, we also have a commercial grade, the EC Cloud. It has already operated more than 6 years. You can manage the existing the enterprise like the access point switch, and also we have the broadband medium wave CDR solution. And at the same time, I think the important is at the same time you can manage edge core tip open Wi-Fi devices. So it provide one more choice to the customers. Okay, the last one is the chip, the roadmap. Okay, for the chip here is the cloud software. So you can see from the cloud SDK 1.0, 2.0, and they have following features enhancement for the cloud SDK. And for device, the firmware also open Wi-Fi 1.0, 2.0. So actually, for the whole edge core, no matter is wireless switch or wireless access point, we do support Open Wi-Fi 2.0 version now. And here you can see we contribute Wi-Fi 5, Wi-Fi 6, and also we will continue to contribute Wi-Fi 6 WordPress access point, EAP104. And also we will do the others like the outdoor or in a Wi-Fi 6E, indoor and outdoor the SKU as well. So just let you know for the edge card, we do focus on contribute the advanced hard platform to make our chip Wi-Fi product portfolios to enrich this line. Okay. Okay. Thanks for your attention. Yeah, have a nice day. Thank you. Bye bye.